Now I discuss about this career opportunities of this economics as a degree. First of all, Indian Economic Service Examination, basic qualification of degree economics. Then IAS, IPS, Indian Foreign Service Examination. In all these examination, the aspirant students are selecting economics as the degree. Then, in all the degree research institution having the post of scientist having different grade, A grade scientist, B grade scientist, C grade scientist, D grade scientist. In all these cases, they are having economic scientist post. Likewise, in all these research institution having the post of research assistant and research associate research officer rank post. Okay, there they can apply. The qualification is economics with PG with 55% marks. Okay. Then Reserve Bank having plenty of opportunities into this economics degree holders. Class 1 officer, A grade class 1 officer, B grade class 1 officer, C grade officer as like it. They are having the scientist post also. Then having research assistant, a research officer, research analyst, policy makers, multiple opportunities are in Reserve Bank and its branches. In nationalized banking institutions are having as like the same post, having economist as a post. Vacancies are in there. Policy makers, research analyst, all these are the posts waiting for this economics degree holders. Then, if you are having interest to work as a teacher in collegiate education institution, assistant professor posts are waiting for this economics degree holders. PG holders, besides they need to have passed the UGC conducting NET exam. To write this NET exam, you should have the 55% mark in economics in PG courses. Besides, in planning forum, they are having multiple posts are there as in the form of class 1 officers, research assistant, research officer, research associate as the form. This post can apply the only 4 subject holders, that is economics, commerce, statistics and maths. PG with 55% mark. Okay. Besides all the national level exams conducting various national institutions, economics degree holders have the eligibility to apply for that. So, economics is a major subject. You are having plenty of opportunities. So, you take a degree in economics. Okay.